Namaste. My name is Agyan Khanan from grade 6-7. Today I am here to tell some words about DDC. DDC is a corporation to supply all the dairy products all over the Nepal. The full form of DDC is Dairy Development Corporation. DDC supply us healthy products for us. DDC was established in 1960 in Nepal. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. I am Science teacher from class 6A3 and I feel proud to stand in front of you to present short presentation on the topic of industrial visit to DDC. With joy in my heart and pride in my voice, I welcome you to listen my presentation. I always thought about my future while sitting inside the classroom. I read many books but I was still not sure what I'd be after 10 years. Studying was difficult. Sometimes I felt confused. Maybe our school had understand that many students have this type of problems, so our teacher had planned us to take in educational visit. The place where we visit was Dairy Development Corporation, DDC Milk Factory at Balaju, Kathmandu. It is also known as Kathmandu Milk Supply Scheme, KMSS. It is not that much far from our school. It only takes 40 minutes to reach there. We all were very excited to see how milk products were made. When we reached there, the human resource officer welcomed us warmly. He explained us about the company and its business policy.
I am Sandasal, representing grade 6C. Today, my topic is to present about collection of DDC. Collection of DDC means the organized way DDC gets milk from farmers all over the country. But DDC collects milk from farmers through collection centers all over Nepal. Every year, DDC collects more than 60 million liters of milk from over 200,000 farmers through 1,200 cooperatives in 45 districts. This system helps farmers get a fair price and provides us with safe and fresh dairy products.
Visit to DDC. DDC is a corporation that is established to supply dairy products all over the Nepal. DDC stands for Dairy Development Corporation. It was established in 1960 in Nepal. DDC mainly collects milk from farmers and gives them a fair price. DDC also makes healthy products for us like ghee, butter, milk, curd, and ice cream for us. And we like DDC because it has big machines, the factory was clean, and it has many farmers. So talking about the infrastructure of DDC, the main factory is located in Balaju, Kathmandu. DDC has many centers in any districts to collect milk from farmers.
From DDC, we learned that how they collect milk from farmers and make items like ghee, butter, curd, and ice cream. We see how important it is to keep milk safe and clean.